Introducing the Yeelight Pro P20 surface-mounted magnetic track, your gateway to creating stunning, customizable lighting solutions for any space. With this magnetic track, the possibilities are endless. Connect multiple professional smart lights, including P20 surface-mounted magnetic floodlights, folding spotlights, grill lights, and track spotlights to create the perfect ambiance. Crafted with an ultra-narrow and ultra-thin design, the magnetic track offers an artistic, minimalistic touch with a track height of just 5 millimeters. Installation has never been easier. No need for a plaster ceiling or structural changes. The P20 surface-mounted magnetic track is suitable for non-plastic surfaces, making it perfect for any setting. Experience the precision of professional lighting with dimming capabilities that reach as low as 0.08%. Enjoy flexible control with easy-to-detach professional-grade lights. Mix and match to suit your style and needs. Discover how the Yeelight Pro P20 surface-mounted magnetic track can transform your space. Contact Copper Connect Smart Home Automation Service team to learn more and start your installation today.